What if the coldest, most desolate place on Earth once teemed with life on still might? Beneath Antarctica's mile-thick ice lies a frozen time capsule, concealing ancient ecosystems untouched for millions of years. As scientists drill deeper, they're not just uncovering frozen water. They're unearthing a prehistoric world that could rewrite everything we know about Earth's past and its future. Despite its harsh conditions, it's home to some unique species of animals and plants that have adapted to survive there. But did you know that under all that ice lies a hidden world that has been waiting for millions of years to be discovered? That's right. Scientists have found evidence of prehistoric life forms living below the surface of the Antarctic ice sheet, including fossils of animals, microbes, and even algae. These discoveries are shedding light on how life evolved in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. They were helping us better understand our planet's history. Get ready to take a journey into the heart of Antarctica and explore the amazing prehistoric life that has been found beneath the ice. The first discovery of prehistoric life in Antarctica came in 2017, when we found fossils of single-celled organisms known as diatoms in ancient seabed sediments. Diatoms are algae that live in oceans around the world today, but their fossils had never been found in Antarctica before. By studying these fossils, scientists learned that diatoms have been living in Antarctic waters for at least 39 million years. This discovery was significant because it showed that life had existed in Antarctica during the Eocene epoch, when the continent was much warmer than it is today. Another fascinating discovery was made in 2018 when researchers found fossils of another type of single-celled organism in a layer of rock that was estimated to be 20 million years old. What makes this discovery particularly interesting is that the fossils were found at an elevation of over 1,000 meters above the surrounding land. This suggests that sea levels were much higher in the past, and that Antarctica was once part of a larger landmass connected to South America. This discovery also provided evidence that foraminifera have been living in Antarctica for at least 20 million years. But perhaps the most surprising discovery of prehistoric life in Antarctica was made in 2020, when researchers found fossils of multicellular organisms in a layer of rock that was estimated to be 540 million years old. These fossils included the remains of sponges, jellyfish, and other soft-bodied creatures. This discovery was significant because it pushed back the known history of life in Antarctica by hundreds of millions of years. It also provided evidence that Antarctica was once home to a diverse ecosystem of marine organisms. One of the most remarkable things about these discoveries is that the fossils are so well preserved. This is due to the fact that Antarctica is such a dry and cold place that it creates the perfect conditions for fossils to form. In addition, the constant motion of the Earth as tectonic plates has helped to protect the fossil record in Antarctica from being lost over time. As a result, Antarctica has become one of the best places on Earth to study the history of life. The discovery of prehistoric life in Antarctica has raised many questions about how life evolved in such an extreme environment. For example, scientists are still trying to figure out how diatoms and foraminifera survived the harsh conditions of the Eocene epoch, when Antarctica was much warmer than it is now. They're also trying to understand how sponges and jellyfish and other soft-bodied creatures were able to thrive in the cold, dark waters of the Proterozoic era. Another question that scientists are trying to answer is, how did these organisms get to Antarctica in the first place? Since Antarctica was once connected to other land masses, it's possible that prehistoric organisms simply migrated there from other areas. However, it's also possible that they evolved independently in Antarctica from other similar organisms. This would be a remarkable discovery because it would suggest that life arose multiple times in very similar forms in different parts of the world. The study of prehistoric life in Antarctica has also shed light on the history of the continent itself. As scientists learn more about the fossils and the ecosystems they lived in, they're able to piece together a picture of how Antarctica has changed over time. They're also able to better understand the forces that shape the continent, such as the movement of tectonic plates and the changing climate. One of the most exciting things about the discovery of prehistoric life in Antarctica is that it is still ongoing. There are many more fossils yet to be found, and each new discovery has the potential to rewrite our understanding of the history of life on Earth. Who knows what other amazing creatures will be found in the hidden world beneath the Antarctic ice? But it is not just the discovery of fossils that is shedding light on the prehistoric life in Antarctica. Researchers are also using other techniques to learn more about the continent's ancient past. For Example, they restudied the chemical composition of rocks and sediments to learn more about the chemistry of ancient Antarctic waters. They're also using computer models to simulate the climate of Antarctica millions of years ago and to better understand the conditions that life may have thrived in addition to shedding light on the history of life in Antarctica. The study of prehistoric life is also helping us better understand our planet's future. By studying how life has adapted to the harsh conditions of Antarctica in the past, we can learn how it may respond to the changes that are happening today. For example, as the climate of Antarctica continues to change, we can expect to see new species of plants and animals arrive in the region. We can also expect to see existing species migrate further south as the ice sheet continues to shrink. By understanding how life has adapted to these changes in the past, we can better predict how it will respond in the future. Another way that the study of prehistoric life in Antarctica is helping us better understand our planet's future is by providing insights into the effects of climate change. As the climate of Antarctica continues to warm, we can expect to see rising sea levels, more extreme weather events, and disruptions to the delicate balance of the Antarctic ecosystem. By studying the effects of past climate change events, we can learn how the continent may respond to the changes that are happening today. The discovery of prehistoric life in Antarctica is a testament to the incredible power of scientific inquiry. Through the use of fossils, geological data, and computer modeling, scientists have been able to piece together a picture of a continent that was once home to a vibrant ecosystem of plants and animals. This discovery has not only helped us better understand our planet's past, but it's also providing us with valuable insights into its future. As the climate of Antarctica continues to change, we can be sure that new discoveries will be made that will help us better understand the incredible biodiversity of this unique environment. Now it is time for you to take a journey into the heart of Antarctica and explore the amazing prehistoric life that has been found beneath the ice. Click on the link in the description below to access the interactive map where you will be able to explore the continent of Antarctica and learn about the amazing prehistoric life that has been found beneath the ice. You will be able to see where each discovery was made and learn about the organisms that were found there. You will also be able to learn about the scientists who made the discoveries and the techniques they used. So click on the link in the description below and start exploring the hidden world beneath the Antarctic ice today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing prehistoric life that's been found beneath the Antarctic ice. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.